have this triangle. Yes, the triangle. And the, okay, so now so we have this circle, we have this triangle ABC, and this is B and this is C. And these are the tangents, right? These are the tangents. So for this circle, let's say this center is right, and we draw. Let's say we draw individual perpendiculars, right? We draw, let's say this one, this one. And so all these are radiuses, and what they have given. So that is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 4, and this is right. And we know that this is 8, right? We know that this is what is this D? So if this is 8, what would be this? Let's say this is E, and this is F. So B is external point, and E and D. These are the tangents drawn. BD and BE from this external point. So what would be BE? BD is 8. What would be BE? What would be,
B8.
yeah, so that would be again 8. Similarly, this is 6, so this would be 6. Right. And now we have to find out AB and AC. So let us to find out that AB and AC. Let us assume that this AE, that is X. So this would be again X, right? So if we see this triangle ABC, right? In triangle ABC, we have uh, AB, which is 8 plus X, right? We have BC, which is 8 plus 6, which is 40. And we have AC, which is 6 plus 6, right? So we know, right? We know the three sides of triangle, right? We know the three sides of triangle. And if we know the three sides of triangle, uh, we can calculate the area of this triangle, right? Right?
Yeah.
So what is the
Area,
method? Yeah, what is the method
area
that
of triangle is half into base into height, right?
no. So we are given three sides. We don't know the height of this triangle. Altitude of triangle is not. You are given three sides. So how do we calculate the area of this triangle if we know the three sides? How do we calculate that?
A plus B plus C equal to 180.
Those are angle, right? This angle is, I'm talking about these sides, right? Not about this angle.
So you're asking how we can find the sides of
I'm
that
asking,
triangle.
I'm asking that how can we find the area of this triangle if you know the three sides? Three side is A, B, and C. These are the three sides you are given, and you want to calculate the area. So method, let me write it. The method is method one of calculating the area that we were talking about. Method is when these sides. So we have Heron's formula.
Yeah, Heron's formula is root of S minus A.
Yeah, absolutely right. And why do we use that Heron's formula? We know the three sides, right? What does this
Oh,
Heron's
okay, Heron's formula.
Yeah, so what does this Heron's formula say? That area of triangle that would be root of S, S minus
Into
A,
S minus A, S minus B, S minus C.
right? And these are the three sides that we have. And what is this S? S is semi-perimeter. This is A plus B plus C by 2. This, this is the one method that we will use. And then we again will use another method and then we'll calculate the triangle. And then we will equate both the methods. So the answer should be the same. That is what we have done, right? So let us find out the area of ABC, right? Method area of ABC. What would be that? S would be how much? S would be AB, BC, and AC by 2. This is how much? This is AB is 8 plus X, BC is 40, AC is 6 plus X by 2. So this is how much? 8, 6, 14, 14, 28 plus X by 2. And we can take two commons. This would be 14 plus X. So this 2 and 2 will cancel and we'll have S, which is 14 plus X. So this is our S. Then the area of triangle, this is S, S minus AB, S minus BC, S minus AC. So how much would that be? This would be 14 plus X and 14 plus X minus what is AB? 8 plus X and 14 plus X minus BC is 14 and 14 plus X minus 6 plus. So this would be, this would be 14 plus X. Then we will remove this part. So minus 8 minus X. This part will cancel. This 14 plus X minus 14. This will cancel. This is 14 plus X minus 6 minus X. So this will again be what we will have 14 plus X. This is 14 minus 8. So this is 6. This is X and this is 8. So we have 48 into X into 14 plus 6. So this is the area of AB. Right, this is method 1. Is it clear? Rifa?
Yes. Yes.
Now we will use another method. So what we will do is that we will divide this triangle in three parts, right? We will divide it in three parts and then we will calculate the individual areas. Let's say we have this triangle, right? We have this triangle, and then we have this triangle, and then we have this. Okay. So this is method 2. What we will do is that we will calculate this cyan, green, and this what is purple color areas, and we will add these three areas. So what will this give? This will give the total area of the triangle, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
So we know what would be the method to calculate the area. What would be this? This is okay. This is one point, right? This is this point is, and we want to calculate the area of this triangle. So this AOC triangle. This is the perpendicular, right? And the base is AC. AC is base, and this is the perpendicular OF. Then what would be the area of AOC? This is method, right? Method area of ABC. That is that would be equal to area of AOC plus the area of AOB. Right. Let me check that. So AOC and AOB and BOC and area of BOC. This would be the second method. So now we have to individually calculate what is the area of AOC. So area of AOC is half base into altitude. So for AOC, right? For AOC triangle, the base is AC and height is OF, right? Base is half AC and OF, right? So this is how much? Half AC is how much? AC is 6 plus X, 6 plus X, and OF is this is this is 2 into 6 plus 6. Similarly, area of AOB, that is how much again, half base altitude. So for AOB, what would be the base?
So there are two methods, but we can solve using any method.
Yeah, so we can solve it using any method, but we have to figure out this x. The idea to calculate
No,
this,
like using first method,
yeah,
you already got the answer, right?
yeah,
So
but that is not the
is
goal.
it necessary then to use the other method, or we can just stop there?
Yeah, yeah. So that is not the goal is find out this x. That is the goal, right?
So we have to find two methods.
Yeah, we have to use both the methods. Right? That is clear. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah, and now we are trying to find out the area of AOB. For AOB, what is the base and what is the altitude? Please tell me. For AOB, what is the base?
A, A,
AOB. What is the base? What is
base is AB,
yes, absolutely correct.
and what's the other one?
And
Altitude.
altitude,
Okay. OE.
right? Yes, absolutely correct. Base is AB. What was AB? AB was, I guess, 8 plus 6, right? And this is this
So
is
altitude and base, no, altitude and height, is it the same thing or
yeah,
different?
they're same, right? They're same. Altitude and yeah, so this is the area of AB. Right? AB was how much? AB was 8. Now we will use this BOC. So for BOC, the base is BC and altitude is OT, right? BC and OT. Now area of BOC. BOC is half base and altitude. Base is BC, that is. So BC was how much? BC is 40, is 20. So this is area of B. Now we have all these three areas. So then we can calculate the area of ABC. Right? Area of ABC was the addition of these three.
Window, any?
Yes? Are you saying
No,
something?
nothing.
Yeah. So then area of ABC.
नहीं window बंद करो
That would be how much? That would be
तुम ना
6 plus x plus 2, 8 plus x and plus 28. This is how much? This is 12 plus 2x plus 16 plus 2x plus 28. This is 12, 16, 28 and 28. So 56 plus 4x. We can take common from here. So this would be 4 common. This is 40 plus 6. So this is the area of ABC. Right. From method. So we know that we have from both the methods we have calculated area. Right. So let us compare these. So let's say this is second. This is 1. Right. So this should be equal to the other. This is 1. This is root of 48 from 1 and of 48 plus 48 into x into 40 plus 6. That was the answer. 48 into x into 14 plus 6. And this is how much? This is equal to 4 into 14 plus 6. Right, now this is root, so what should we do? We should square both the sides. Right, so we will square both the sides. And what we will get? So this would be root will vanish, and this is 14 plus x, and this is 4 into 4 into 14 plus x, and 14 plus x. So this 14 plus x, this 14 plus x will cancel. This 4 and this is how much? 12. This 4 and this is 12. So what we will get? We will get 12x, that is equal to 14 plus 6. Yeah, okay, yeah, so this is not 12, right? This is 3. So 4 are 3 are 12. 3. If we take this x this side, so this is minus x equals to 40, x equals to 40, x is 7. Now we have got x. So then what we can find out? The idea was to find out AB and AC. So AB is 8 plus x. AB is 8 plus x. So that is 8 plus 7, which is 15 centimeter. And AC, that is 6 plus x, which is 6 plus 7. This is the answer. This was a lengthy problem, but the idea is to use two methods to calculate the area of triangle. Is it clear to you, Rifa? Is it clear? Yes, Rifa, can you hear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Then please note it down. And
Is it
whenever you
fine
want,
screenshot?
yeah, yeah, please take this screenshot, right? Please take these screenshots. Whenever you have taken this screenshot, please.
You can scroll. Yeah, a little more down. A bit down.
Is it okay?
Down, down.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, taken.
Yeah,
And then please take the screenshot.
yeah, taken.
Okay, so this was this lengthy question, but idea was that if we use two methods, then we'll get the same answer, right? Last question. This chapter. Now, it's uh, that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Right. So we have a quadrilateral, and then there is a circle inside that quadrilateral. Right. And then we have to prove that the angles subtended by the opposite sides of that quadrilateral that would be supplementary. If we add them up, that would give us what would be the angle? If we add those angles, what would be the angle? If we add those angles, those are supplementary, right? So if we add them, what would be the result? If two angles are supplementary, if two angles are supplementary, if we add them up, so what would be the final answer?
180.
180, right? So this is the idea that we have to remember. So let us draw the diagram first, right? So we have this quadrilateral. It's not a different one. So let's take this one. Let's use this one. And then we have this circle, right? Inside this quadrilateral, we have a circle. Okay, so this is the circle that we. Now they are saying that if we choose, right? So let's say we have this center point. So if we choose these two sides, right? So these angles, right? These angles, this should be supplementary, right? So we have to find out this one. And yeah, let's say this is x, this is y, right? So we have to prove, or let's say we choose A, B, C, D, and let's say this is point, right? And what we do is that we have to x plus y, x plus y, that is 180 degree. Or we can also prove that, let's say this is x, y, z, and w, or z plus w, that is 180. So angle, this is the opposite side, AB and CD. That is the opposite side, right? And this is making the angle at center. So CD is making X angle, AB is making Y angle, and we have to prove that these are supplementary. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Yes.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Now, can you tell me that what would be these two angles? Do you remember? If you connect the center with the tangent, so what happens to these angles? Do you remember that? If we have this circle and this tangent, right? And if we connect this thing, this point outside, let's say P and O, so what happens to these angles? Yes,
It will be equal.
they will be equal, right? So we remember that, right? Yeah, this is 1, so this is 1. Then I will write this is 2, this is 2, right? This is 3, this is 3, this is 4, this is clear. So why these are equal? These are angles divided by the line joining the center and the point outside the circle where the tangent is drawn, right? So we can write that. Is it clear to you?
Yes, yes.
So now, what do we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. How much would be that? How much would be that?
180.
180. So these are what? ABCD. These are the angles of what?
Yeah, sorry, 360.
360, right? So these are angles, inside angles of quadrilateral. So this would be 360. Good. Now if you look carefully, so angle A is angle 2 plus 2. Angle B is
Angle
angle
B is 1
1.
plus 1, C is 4 plus 4, and D is 3 plus.
Right. That's so
We
this
can take common out, like from angle A to common and one common.
yeah. So what we can take?
Common out from angle A, like there are two common type, two, so we can take two out and one like that.
No, no, no. So these are not numbers. I am just representing them by numbers, right? They are not. These are angles, right? These are not numbers. So this is not 2 plus 2, 4. So yeah. So let me use a different.
No, what I mean to say is like you wrote angle 2 plus angle 2, so angle 1 plus angle 2. So 2 is there two times, so we can take 2 as common from that, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. That part. Yes, absolutely. Right. So we can write them as 2 angle 2 plus 2 angle 1 plus 2 angle 4 plus 2 angle 3. That is what. Yeah. So this is what you are saying. And then we take 2 from common from all these things. So this is 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3. And this is 360. So what we can write? Let's rearrange them in certain manner. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Right. This is bracket. And this is equal to 360 by 2. 180. So we will get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180. Is it clear?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Now let us check what would be. We can choose any one, x plus y or w plus z. So let us check. Let us check x plus y. Now angle x would be how much? Angle x would be from here. What would be angle x? So that would be 180, 180 minus 3 plus angle 2. Or let me write it. Let me write it in this way. That angle x plus angle angle x plus angle 3 plus angle 4. How much would be this? Angle x plus angle 3 plus angle 4. How much would be that? Yes, x plus 3 plus 4. What would be that angle? Yes, Rifa, audible?
Yeah, x plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 180.
180, right? So let me write it this way. In triangle D, right? Triangle D, what do we have? Angle x plus angle 3 plus angle 2, that is 180. Similarly, let's write it as 1, or let's write it as 2. This is 1. Similarly, what do we have in triangle? We have to choose y, right? So BOA in triangle B. What do we have? Angle y plus angle 1 plus angle 2. That is again 180. So let's say that this is the third one. And we have to find the sum. We have to find the sum of x and y. So let us add these. So adding second and so what would be that? That would be x plus 3 plus 4 plus y plus 1 plus 2. That is 180 plus 180. So how much is this? This is x plus angle y plus this is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. That is 180 plus 180, right? It is right. And we know that this thing is how much? We have proved earlier that this is 180, right? So because from equation 1, right? So then what did we get? We get x plus y, that is 1. And similarly, we can prove that z plus w, that would also be. Is it clear to you? Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Then please note down this part, and then you will start the area related to circles. Yeah, whenever you want me to put down, please do.
Yeah, you can scroll. Yeah, finished.
Finished. Let's start the lecture. That is area related to start. Like, area related. So before we do this, what is the prerequisites that we have to remember? One is area of triangle, and we have just studied this, right? Gone through it just a moment ago. That what are the ways that we can calculate the area? There are three ways. First condition is that you are given the base and the height. These two things are given, or altitude or height, right? Height or the second thing, the second case is that three sides are given. And the third one is that you have two sides and angle between them is given. Right. So you know about this one. Do you know? You about know what? Do you remember this one? The third one. Do you remember that?
Yeah, it is essence.
Yes. Yes. No. No. So this is not similarity of triangle. We are calculating the area, right? So let us talk about the first one. Right. So the first one says, let's say that E, that base and altitude. Right. So we have this triangle, and let's say if we choose, right, we can choose different bases. So if we choose this base, then the perpendicular or the altitude will be different. Let's say that I pick this base, B. Then I have to look the altitude from the third remaining vertex. So then I have to look for the vertex from A. So let's say this is M. Then we can easily calculate the area that would be half base into height. What is that? Half BC into A. This is one method that we are already familiar, right? The other one is we have just talked about three sides. So what are both we know about? Let's say this is A, this is B. So then we know that S would be that the area that would be S S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is A plus B plus C by 2. This would be the second scenario. The third scenario that sides and angle. Right. So what is this case? So we have triangle, right? And we are given